I'm Teresa Coates from Shannon Fabrics, and I'm here at the Fat Quarter Shop Studios, and we're gonna make a easy double gauze swaddle today. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it off on the little woven line that shows where our grain is. So we're gonna cut it right along there. So I've cut it on this one, and then I'm gonna stitch right along here a stay stitch line, and I've shrunk my stitch just a little bit to like a 2, and stitch all the way along here about a 1/2 inch from that edge that I've cut. Okay, I'm gonna stitch all the way across, don't need to back stitch. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna trim it really close to my stay stitching line, just about 1/8 of an inch away. This will give it a lot of stability so I can use my rolled hem foot to hem those edges. All right, so this one I have used the rolled hem foot, brought it under, zigzagged it all the way across. You can see what it looks like. So it's just going to do a little zigzag all the way. It's going to keep it nice and neat and put in that raw edge all the way inside. You can see here this the straight line, the stay stitching that I did before, which if I were using white thread would never be shown. In this one I've done with this is with the white thread on top. You can still see where the stitch was before, but like I said, if it's white stitching, you'll never see it at all. We're gonna do that on all 4 sides. Do one side, then the other, then this side, and then you'll be done. So there you've got it. It's a quick and easy gift for any new mom in your life. There are lots of prints available at fatquartershop.com.